Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today you are going to learn class 7 social science civics chapter 2 role of the government in health part 2. Now let's start. Students, public and private healthcare services. Healthcare services can be categorized into two parts: public health services and private health facilities. Public health services. Chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. Public health services comprise a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. These are available both in rural and urban areas. Government provide treatment to common illness and special services. In a rural area, there are PHC means primary health care, प्राथमिक आरोग्य केंद्र. At district level are district hospital. District hospital provides services to all the centers. At the village level, there is a nurse and village health worker trained in dealing with common illness and they work with doctors as primary health center PHC. At the district level, the district hospital supervises health centers. Large cities have many government as well as specialized government hospitals. Public healthcare services are known as public because for many reasons. First, these services are for all citizens, means हमारे लिए ही है. The resources needed to run these services are obtained from public tax. Means resources required to run these centers are obtained from the general public in a way of taxes. So these facilities are meant for everyone. Understood, my student? Next, third point. Public health system is made provide quality healthcare services either free or low cost. Next point. Public healthcare takes action to prevent the spread of disease such as TB, malaria, cholera, jaundice, chikungunya, etc. Public health care takes action to prevent the spread of disease. टीबी है, मलेरिया है, कोलेरा है, जॉन्डिस है, चिकनगुनिया है, ये सब डिजीज़ में पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर करती है। आया समझ में? These services can be made effective only when there is participation of people. Public health services, according to our constitution, primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people, provide health care facility to all. Private health facilities, healthcare centers and facilities owned and operated by doctors privately. In rural areas, there are registered medical practitioners. A large number of private health facilities exist in our country as many doctors run their own private clinics. There are registered medical practitioners in rural areas and large number of doctors providing specialized service in urban areas. In urban area, there are large number of doctors, private clinics, laboratories for tests and facilities such as X-ray, ultrasound, etc. and private medical shops from where we can buy medicines. Patients have to pay a lot of money for their treatment in private hospitals. Private facilities can be seen all around. There are large number of companies that run hospitals and engaged in manufacturing and selling medicines. Healthcare in India. Let's examine some of the aspects of healthcare in India. Compare and contrast the situation expressed in the first and second column. In first column, India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world. Largest number of medical colleges हमारी इंडिया में है and is among the largest producers of doctor. Approximately कितने डॉक्टर्स क्वालिफाई हो रहे हैं एवरी ईयर? More than 30,000 new doctors qualified is every year. Every year 30,000 new doctors qualify हो रहे हैं. इससे ज़्यादा लेकिन इससे कम नहीं. Healthcare facilities have grown substantially over the years. In 1950, there were only 2,717 government hospitals in India. In 1991 में 2,717 गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल थी. Now there were 11,174 hospitals in 2017, increasing the number of grew to 23,583 hospitals. Third, India gets a large number of medical tourists from many countries. They come for treatment in some of the hospitals in India that compared with the best in the world. Large number of medical tourists फ्रॉम मैनी कंट्रीज, बहुत सारी कंट्रीज में से मेडिकल टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं ट्रीटमेंट करवाने के लिए। इंडिया इज द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है किसका, ऑफ मेडिसिन इन द वर्ल्ड एंड ऑल्सो अ लार्ज एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ मेडिसिन। Most doctors settles in urban areas. People in rural areas have to travel long distances to reach a doctor. The number of doctors with respect to the population much less in rural areas. About 5 lakh people die from tuberculosis every year. This number of almost unchanged since independence. Almost 2 million cases of malaria are reported every year and this number is decreasing. We are not able to provide clean drinking water to all. Cleaning drinking water मिल ही नहीं रहा है। 21% to all communicable disease are waterborne. For example, worms, hepatitis, etc. Half of all children in India do not get adequate food, properly food to eat, and are undernourished. Undernourished means कुपोषित, जो प्रॉपर डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए वो नहीं हो पा रहा है। क्यों? क्योंकि इसको प्रॉपर फूड नहीं मिल रहा है। Here first we have seen first 4 points we are differences. Increasing medical colleges also available, 30,000 new doctors qualified every year, healthcare facilities have grown. There were 2,717 government hospitals in India in 1991, 11,174 hospitals in 2017, so the number of grew 23,583. India gets a large number of medical tourists from many countries. They come for treatment in some of the hospitals in India that compare with the best in the world. And India is the third largest producer of medicines in the world and is also a large exporter of medicines. This first and second, most doctors settle in urban areas. People in rural areas have to travel long distances to reach a doctor. बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स जो है सेटल इन अर्बन एरियाज यानी सिटी होती है, बिग सिटी होती है, इसको हम अर्बन एरियाज कहेंगे। और रूरल एरिया जो विलेजर्स जो होते हैं ना, विलेजर्स रहते हैं वहाँ पे उसको हम रूरल एरियाज बोलेंगे। तो रूरल एरिया के अंदर जो रहते हैं उनको बहुत ट्रैवलिंग लॉन्ग करना पड़ता है। हैव टू ट्रैवल लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस टू रीच अ डॉक्टर के पास पहुंचने के लिए जो विलेजेस से सिटीज़ में जा रहे हैं ट्रीटमेंट करवाने के लिए उनको बहुत लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस कभी कभी हो रहा है। द नंबर ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द पॉपुलेशन मच लेस इन रूरल एरियाज। रूरल एरिया के अंदर ज़्यादातर डॉक्टर्स रहते नहीं हैं। अबाउट 5 लाख पीपल डाई फ्रॉम ट्यूबरकुलोसिस मीन्स क्षय, ऐसी एक बीमारी डिजीज थी जो बीमारी थी, क्षय बीमारी। अबाउट 5 लाख पीपल डाई फ्रॉम द ट्यूबरकुलोसिस मीन क्षय एवरी ईयर। दिस नंबर इज ऑलमोस्ट अनचेंज सिंस इंडिपेंडेंस। Almost 2 million cases of malaria are reported every year. और this number क्या होता है इसके अंदर, डिक्रीजिंग नहीं हो रहा है। एंड दिस नंबर इज नॉट डिक्रीजिंग। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, वी आर नॉट एबल टू प्रोवाइड क्लीनिंग ड्रिंकिंग वाटर टू ऑल। हर एक को क्लीनिंग ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, पानी पीने का जो क्लीन वाटर चाहिए, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर वो मिलता नहीं है। और 21% ऑफ ऑल कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज आर वाटर बॉर्न। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डायरिया, worm means krumi, and hepatitis, etc. Half of all children in India do not get adequate food to eat and are under-authorized. Means हाफ ऑफ ऑल चिल्ड्रन इन इंडिया डू नॉट गेट एडुकेट फूड। जो प्रॉपर उनका डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो फूड मिलना चाहिए वो नहीं मिल रहा है। स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे यू हैव लर्न healthcare in India, public and private healthcare. This topic we are discussed. Now next would be the story of Hakim Sheikh. Okay, my students, now take care, stay home and stay safe.